Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So I am just getting ready for today. I did a nice little walk this morning. So I just got out the shower and now I'm just kind of letting my hair fall naturally out of its wrap. And then I'm gonna get dressed. Seth and I are gonna go out and grab some lunch and just take a little break and run a few errands. And yeah, so I have some packages that arrived today and I thought I would jump on and share them with you all really quick. One is from Farfetch, it's a bag, and the other package is from Zara. It's some stuff for Sefton that I got home for spring, just some spring clothes that he needs. So I'll go ahead and show you guys that stuff now. All right, so here is the first item. And some of you will be surprised when you see what this is because I actually had a version of this bag. All right, here it is. It is the Rive Gauche Saint Laurent tote in the tan and black combination. So I know I'm crazy because I have this bag and I had this bag in all black, but it was in a different size. It was in a taller size and that just was not working for me. So I did sell that one and decided to go with this one. One, I did some research on this canvas and found out that this is treated, so you can wipe this clean. I did not know that at first. And so a few people did mention that to me in my comments when I shared my last, when I shared the unboxing from the last bag. And so I did some more research and yes, it is true. This is a treated canvas and it can be wiped. The only reason I didn't get this bag initially is because I was so afraid that it would get dirty. So I decided to go with it in the larger size for obvious reasons. One, for travel, and two, new mommy bag, because I tend to just use my tote bags as diaper bags. I don't buy diaper bags. So I thought that this would be just a good bag to have to just throw baby stuff in and not have to worry about, you know, carrying a diaper bag and a bag. Plus, I like that I can still carry my laptop in here and all of my other essentials. This bag was extremely hard to get. It is like selling out like crazy. I originally ordered this on Saks, paid for it, and they emailed me and told me that they received my order, sent me a confirmation, and then 2 days later they sent me a cancellation email. So I started my search all over again. Luckily I found it on Farfetch. It took forever for it to come. So literally this has been like over a month of me trying to get this bag, and I finally got it today. The FedEx guy literally just left the house and I'm so happy to have it now. So yes, this is my new bag and the story behind why I chose this one and got rid of my black one. Plus the black one, I found that I was really only using that when I traveled. And I don't like to have bags just for travel. I wanted something a little bit more multifunctional. I do like that this one can be worn over the shoulder. The other one could not. And this one definitely holds more. It does expand, so it will hold a lot more than the other one. And I just like the combination. Honestly, online, I wasn't crazy about this combination, but now that I have it and I see it in person, it's absolutely gorgeous. It's the perfect tote bag for me and my lifestyle, and it will definitely get plenty of use, definitely for travel, and like I said, for baby stuff. So got that. And then this is a Zara package. I just went on and ordered Sefton a few little sets for the spring because the weather is getting a little bit warmer and we're kind of at that phase where it's not like really cold, but it's not like hot. And so jogger sets are perfect right now for him, and he's grown out of like everything that he had for the winter. So I got him this one and this one. They all have pants to them too, just FYI. This one and this one. And then I got him two just basic t-shirts in blue and gray. I think I got all size 8 for him. And so those are the t-shirts. And then here are the pants. So these are the pants that goes with this top. This blue is so pretty. I love this blue. So these pants go with this one. Those pants go with the tie-dye little set. And then these go with this. And this actually is kind of like a tie-dye effect as well. So those are all of the little sets that I got for Sefton, and these will definitely carry him all through the spring. And then, you know, once it gets a little bit warmer, we can just throw these joggers on with like some t-shirts and yeah, keep it moving. So that is my little haul for today. So yeah, I am going to go ahead and finish getting dressed, and then I will check back in with you guys once we get in the car. Alright guys, so I'm just getting ready to make dinner. We're gonna have salmon, basmati rice, and some sweet peas. I'm just getting ready to season this. I'm gonna use some garlic powder, smoked paprika pepper. I'm also gonna add a little bit of this Tony's no salt seasoning. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and get this seasoned up. I'm snacking on some grapes, and I'll show you guys everything once it gets going. All right, so the salmon is seasoned. I just preheated the oven. Now I'm gonna go ahead and get my rice ready. I just need to rinse it a few times just to get the excess starch off before I cook it. Also, I'll show you guys what I use in my rice when I cook it. All right, so what I like to do with my rice is I like to add either broth, in this case I'm adding better than a bouillon, to my water in addition to butter. Just add this and then I'll whisk it. So yeah, this basically just gives your rice some really good flavor. So again, you can add any broth that you want, but this is just what I have in the fridge. And then I'll just add some butter and my rice. So I've already rinsed my rice. This is half a cup of rice, and that will be it. All right guys, and if you're wondering what peas I am using, it's these from Whole Foods. Alright, almost ready.